Uh. Uh. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Just Safi here. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button below and become a part of the MVP family. And today is a long-awaited video. I've gotten questions on Instagram about when am I going to do an update video about cutting out my locks. It's been about a year since I've cut my locks out. You know, as you guys know, 2019 I had locks in for about 6 months, and then I cut my locks out, and then I started the journey all over again with loose natural hair. And this is how my hair is currently looking. I'm not going to blow it out and do any sort of length checks because I don't have any plans of straightening my hair or anything anytime soon, because I'm still on a growth challenge. But my hair here, it hits, the back hits collarbone, and the front hits my nose, and let me pull one. The sides hit about chin length. So, yep, that's where it is lengthwise. Am I happy with cutting out the locks? Yes, because I love the versatility of being able to wear my hair loose natural and do different things to it. So I like that I got back the versatility of my hair. Do I miss the locks in my hair? A little bit. Sometimes I see people who have such beautiful locks, beautiful fresh reties, and the grid patterns and stuff, and sometimes I miss some of that. You know, and it's like, oh man, I wonder what my grid pattern would look like now. I wonder what my hair would look like now if I kept my locks in. So yeah, I do have that curiosity, and it's like, man, imagine if I had kept my locks in. But my thing is, I can always do faux locks. I can always do other techniques to kind of get that or achieve that look and just wear it temporarily and go back to my loose natural hair. So, you know, I enjoy the loose natural hair. I love the length that it has gotten. I'll insert some pictures showing you where I started in January of 2019 and where I am now in January of 2020. So I will show you the differences. The hair has grown a lot. Has it changed since the last time I was loose natural, before I put my locks in? I would say yes, the edges are a lot thinner, a lot more sparse, which you guys already know, and I'm working on the edge growth. As you know, I'm using my Just Safi oil, the wild root hair growth oil, and Jamaican black castor oil. I'm doing a combination of all of those things to really gain back my edges. I'm doing scalp massages, throughout the week. And yeah, I am definitely deep conditioning every week, and I'm also adding oil to my ends to make sure that I take care of those ends. I have trimmed my hair twice since I started back with the loose natural. Yes, I wanted to make sure that my ends were always clean. So one time before I did a protective style, I clipped my ends, and then just recently I clipped my ends coming out of a protective style because I felt that the ends were a little straggly, so I just clipped them. I'm not afraid to clip and just get rid of those dead ends because I think it's highly important to get rid of all of that dead hair. So yes, I don't know if there was any more questions, but people just wanted me to reflect back on being locked and if I missed it. So yeah, I sometimes I miss it when I see a fresh grid pattern of other girls, but really, I was really missing the versatility of having my loose natural hair and being able to style and do different things to my hair. Currently, right now, I have my hair styled in a bang because really that's the way my hair tends to shape. It shapes itself. And I'm trying to decide if I like having bangs or not, or am I going to just go back to the middle part or whatever the case is. Let me know down below. I'd like to hear your opinions on what you think. Should I keep the bangs like this and just maintain it, or should I, you know, go wear it with the middle part, side part? What do you guys think? I need some kind of help. Now it's in this growing phase, it's in this transitional phase, I'm not quite sure how to style the wash and go. But, yep, that's it. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any more questions, comments down below, let me know, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Follow me on Instagram and all my other social medias. They're down below as well. I will see all of you next time.